Welcome back. Today, we begin our full aquascape build with a clean, empty tank.
The tank is perfectly centered, providing a balanced canvas for the entire layout.
A closer look reveals the pristine clarity inside the tank.
Soft lighting highlights every edge of the glass, ready for transformation. From this wide view, you can see the entire setup area prepared for building. Clean reflections confirm the tank is spotless and ready for the first step. We begin by gently adding the first layer of substrate. The substrate naturally spreads, forming a smooth foundation. Now the bottom is fully covered, creating a stable base. A backward slope is shaped to create depth and perspective. The elevation increases gradually, guiding future eye movement in the layout.
A small hill forms in the back left corner for a more natural landscape.
Smooth curves finalize the terrain, preparing it for hardscape placement. The terrain is now stable and ready for stones. We place the main focal stone, which defines the layout's character. A slight rotation helps the stone sit at a natural angle. Supporting stones settle into place to strengthen the structure.
Accent stones add texture and depth to the composition.
The stones now flow together in a natural direction. A full view reveals the balanced rock structure.
A close look highlights the beautiful natural textures.
From above, the rock layout forms a cohesive foundation.
For polished decision.
Small adjustments refine the final position of each stone.
The hardscape is now locked in and ready for driftwood.
Driftwood is added to bring movement and energy.
A small rotation aligns the driftwood naturally.
The branching structure creates vertical motion.
The wood and stones begin merging into one cohesive form.
The driftwood integrates smoothly into the rockwork.
A closer look shows the rich texture and natural lines of the wood.
From above, the hardscape structure looks complete and balanced.
The full hardscape is now ready for planting. Planting begins with HC Cuba in the front area.
HC Cuba settles gently, preparing to form a green carpet.
Glossostigma outlines the path edges for a natural border.
Dwarf hairgrass adds softness and mid-ground texture.
Pogostemon helferi fills areas around the stones beautifully.
Alternanthera introduces warm red tones into the scape.
Rotala provides height and color variation in the background. Java moss spreads naturally across the wood surface. Anubias nana anchors securely to the base of the driftwood.
Java fern adds elegant curves and soft leaf structure.
The entire planted layout is now filled and balanced.
A top view reveals the organized planting structure. Every plant is positioned and ready for the water fill.
Mosses and ferns add realism and depth.
The layout is now fully planted from front to back.
The planting stage is complete. Next, we fill the tank. A protective film prevents the soil from being disturbed. Water flows in gently to preserve the arrangement. The tank fills slowly, allowing plants to settle. Soft ripples form across the surface. At halfway, reflections deepen and the layout comes alive.
The tank is now full and crystal clear.
The underwater landscape begins to reveal itself.
The layout looks complete now that the water is added.
A COC2 diffuser is added to support healthy plant growth. The COT system is assembled simply and effectively. Microbubbles rise gently and spread throughout the tank. A filter is installed to maintain clear, clean water.
Gentle water movement helps the plants stay healthy.
Soft lighting brings out the colors of the plants.
The tank stabilizes under balanced flow and lighting. A slow pan reveals the full clarity of the aquascape. Day 1 sow, the layout is fresh and neatly arranged.
Day 3 pens are alive. Roots begin anchoring into the soil.
Day 5, the Hemianthus calitricoides cuba is beginning to form small, distinct green clusters.
Day 7 Tackada. Moss and ferns show noticeable growth.
Day 10 Yosao. Rotala displays soft pink tones.
Day 14 too wet, the carpet spreads quickly.
Day 21 Solin. Plants appear fuller and more balanced.
Day 24, Plaktak. Red plants deepen in color.
Day 27 Thomnus. The carpet nearly covers the foreground.
Day 30 Brafar. The scape reaches full maturity. Neon tetras bring movement and life to the finished layout.
This final cinematic view completes our 30-day aquascape build. Thank you for watching.